afternoon and happy weekend! I am on my way to pick up Ate Angela. Self-care day kami. Wow! She's gonna get her nails done and I need to get my eyelashes permed again. Oh, diba? Very girl! Oh my god, very girl! Look at me wearing pink. And kino-cost per use ko lang tong earrings ko because bad sustainability thing for me is that I bought it just for the Blackpink concert, pero they're cute, so I try to use them as much as I can. Ayun, and then I posted a lot. Nakita nyo yun probably. I posted like 3 videos in the past week. The first being yung yaps ko lang sa car, tapos the 2 being from 2025. So hindi na talaga chronological. I gave up. Inisip ko pa, yung mga iba-video ko na ba now, hintayin ko pa na ma-upload ko lahat ng it's not for you guys, it's for me to know na na-upload ko sila. So wala talagang promises in terms of chronological order ng pag-upload. So kayo na lang mag-guess kung anong month yun, anong taon siya. I mean, usually, oh my god, I know this man. This man is my friend's father. Right? Kilala ko to. I mean, oh, that's so random. Why is he here? Okay. Anyway, hindi naman kami close nung classmate ko na yun. But I know that's her dad. Anyway, okay. Basta yun, no promises in terms of chronological posting. So, feeling ko ma-post ko tong video later kasi it's just gonna be me and Ate Angela and Tita. Tapos ano pa ba? And then yun lang. I bought an SSD finally kasi yun nga, nag-transfer na ako ng videos from my phone to my laptop and I'm losing space. Wala na akong space, guys. It's all just concert videos actually. Na I'm a hoarder. I'm a hoarder. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Na-press ko lang. I'm sorry, I'm not rushing you. I'm a hoarder in terms of my videos. So, sabi ko, okay, it's time for me to buy SSD. And, na-confirm ko naman from Cousin Pat that storage has been pricey recently. And I didn't realize na AI pala was the reason. I'll do some more research on that. But anyway, storage has been so expensive na okay, napakita ko na ba yung tiny camera ko? I didn't bring it! Where's my tiny camera? Okay, full on ang daming segues nito because I am just having my coffee. So, yung energy quiz through the roof. Oh no, it's not here. Tiny camera. I'm pretty sure I had it sa other bag. Oh no, kasi kinutan ko siya sa tiny yellow bag. Anyway, I bought a tiny camera. Ang dupes ang Charmera. Thanks Skippy for the Shopee link. Anyway, so that camera needs a 32 gig na SD card. So I'm like, okay lang pa, don't buy it with an SD card, we'll just buy one somewhere else. And then when he was here, like we were searching for an SD card, they were so expensive. I'm like, what the hell? Why are they so expensive? Tapos, ayun, na-confirm. So I asked Cousin Pat, I'm losing battery, I'm losing storage. I'm needing storage space. May masuggest ka ba na external storage? So he said, wow, sabi niya, they're so expensive recently, but he just sent me the Data Blitz website anyway. So doon na lang ako bumili. Anyway, it's my first time actually like committing to an external storage. Kasi man, yun nga, in fairness to me, yun nga, ang dami ko na talagang videos. So, yun. Anyway, yun. They're expensive. I always knew they were expensive. I just didn't realize how expensive they were. So, yun. It was 2 terabytes. And, ayun lang. So, it'll probably come up sa algorithm ko why they're getting expensive. Pero, yun. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang yaps ko? There's this Mahuhuli ba siya? Baka mahuli siya. Anyway, sorry, the road, a lot is happening on the road. Okay, hindi siya mahuhuli kasi his car's expensive. I am losing my mind. What was I gonna say? Something on my mind. Oh, okay. So, one thing I've been really happy about is it's always the youth counterculture talaga, or how the youth it's history repeating itself. Anyway, notice ko lang kasi with tech recently is it's getting so boring, diba? Like just the iPhone, the minimal updates, and my need na there has to be something fun regarding tech. It just so happens there is a lot. It's just not getting to me yung mga news na yan. So, starting last year, ayun, nafe-feed na sa akin yung mga like alternate tech stuff, like I always forget the brand name kasi wala naman akong need to buy those recently. Pero yung mga laptops na parang every part of the laptop is replaceable, so like a sustainability win and a tech fun win, anyway, yon are very interesting to me. And then yung mga phones na similar, modular, that's the term, modular phones and modular tech is so fun. Like, wala naman akong need for them, but there's just fun to watch na, people come out with those things. So, recently, yung na-feed naman sa algorithm ko is yung Clicks communicator. I feel like I'm speaking so loud. Pero anyway, yung Clicks communicator, sila yung brand na nagbebenta ng external keypads. Yung nakakonect mo yung QWERTY keyboard na physical to your phones. Kasi Pat and I also talked about that. So it just makes your experience more fun. And ang fun lang, diba? Once again, wala akong need for that. Because I want to minimize nga my tech use as little as possible, diba? So that's why I want my iPhone mini to last forever, even though I know it's not gonna last forever. So, yung point ko of all this is, so, because of planned obsolescence, my phone will eventually die, right? So, what is the next best, what should be my next phone? And yung asa ko talaga is that's gonna happen in like 3 years time. And so far, like topping the list is yung Clicks communicator. Wala pa daw any actual, like, it's all just concept to me right now. Kasi wala pa namang, all of the promo videos are just yung physical form niya pa lang, and like yung creators like talking up yung uses niya, and yung primary use niya talaga dapat is like your second phone, which anyway, I get why they want to brand it that way on a marketing perspective, pero pwede naman daw siyang gamitin as a primary phone. So wala lang, it's so cool. It looks like a BlackBerry. It is just a BlackBerry anyway. So yun, parang fun lang na those things still pop up, and ayun, I'm hopeful. I'm like really hopeful that it takes off, and that ayun, it's a possible, I think form wise kasi it makes sense to me, a user of this phone, being just my most used app is Messenger. So there, and yung need ko lang talaga for a phone is that ayun nga, since it powers Android, so feeling ko like bank apps pwede siyang nandun, yun actually, bank apps and Google Maps and Waze, it needs to power those apps too for me. And then everything else is quite secondary, I feel like. Syempre daw ang music. And it has a headphone jack. That's like fun. And it has expandable storage. Like, diba? Anyway, I'm just looking forward to more tech like that. Na kahit na hindi naman ako yung market nila, but it's just fun. And ano ba? Which brings me to the point of sustainability win recently is me replacing the pads on my XM4s. Kasi diba? Yung like kasi ano na yung leather. What do you call that? Ano na siya, it's disintegrating basically. So ako parang, is it time for me to upgrade to XM6s? I'm like, okay. Grabe, ang Post Malone ads talaga to me. So strong. Anyway. Sabi ko, sige. So nakaan na yun. Nagbabudget na ako na, eventually I will buy XM6s. But then, since nandito kay dad ko and him and his shopping addiction, I told you it comes in handy sometimes. Pero yun nga, I was like, I think you can replace this. I talked to someone about them being replaceable at one time. Shout out Ariana, you were one of those. And ayun nga, there are. So I made him like buy me replacement ear pads na, well, hindi siya official Sony. But yeah, so ni-replace ko lang siya. It was like 600 pesos, less than that. Tapos they work well. I've been using them for more than a week na. And so yun, so I didn't have to buy headphones. Diba? Bakit? Kasi yun yung initial instinct mo na something is falling apart. Yun yung I'm trying to rewire my brain into thinking, this thing is falling apart. There are ways to fix it. Most probably. Like, that should be my initial instinct and not fix before replacement. Parang ganun. Fix before. So also with clothes, like, is there a way to still like salvage this? Ayun, I don't know. I feel like I've been slacking off in terms of my sustainability efforts because a lot of other things have been happening in my life, but it feels like it's time for a check-in. Like, I want to make an updated sustainability wins video, which yun nga, I failed because I am in a gas car and it was not second hand, so dun pa lang parang fail na siya agad. So the next best thing I can do is Holly has to survive for the next 10 years or more. If she does, then that's the ultimate sustainability win for me, I think. Ayun lang. So good job, Holly, for lasting 3 years and no issues so far. I've been yapping for 12 minutes and 40. Wow! You know why? Kasi confident na ako na ang dami ko ng storage sa phone ko. Because dami ko na na-delete. So, yun. 12 minutes of me yapping and then mga 5-second clips na naman yan yung i-append ko to this video. So, wala na naman siyang kwenta. Yun, bye! 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 So, makukuha ko kaya si Winnie the Pooh? That is the question. So, gusto ko lang ikwento.
Ang eyelash mo, pwede mo makita mo yung model.
So, di ba sabi ko magpapa-eyelash perm ako. Tapos nabati ako masyado ng mga doon. Pinicture nila ako after. Wow! Kasi ang ganda na ng pilikmata ko. Kailangan daw, i-model daw nila ako sa mga next. Sana naman nilibre nila yung perm ko, di ba? Pero hindi. Pero okay lang, na-validate ako. So, doon ako lagi. Kasi masyado akong nabati. So, kung may makita kayong pilikmata ads, yun lang. Tingnan nyo. 3 lang kami sa table. Pero dami na. Pang-anim talaga actually.